Day 2, Holiday Decorating Adventures. The math and science hiding in your holiday decorations. Welcome to Day 2. Today we're talking about something you're probably doing this weekend, putting up holiday decorations. And I'm going to show you how this annual tradition is actually a hands-on STEM learning experience in disguise. For kids with ADHD and dyslexia and other learning differences, hands-on learning is where the magic happens. When they can touch, move, and manipulate, their brains engage in ways that sitting still never allows. Holiday decorating naturally builds spatial reasoning. Where does this go? Pattern recognition, alternating colors, repeating shapes, planning, and executive function. What order do we do things? Measurement and estimation. How much garland do we need? Following multi-step decoration. First we untangle, then we hang, then we plug in. And here's the key. They don't even know they're learning because they're creating something beautiful with you. Here's how to turn decorating into intentional learning. For tree decorating, let them sort ornaments by color, size, or type first. This is categorization. Ask, should we make a pattern? Red, gold? Wonder aloud. Where should this big ornament go so the tree doesn't tip? Count together. How many ornaments do we have? Can you estimate? For outdoor lights, how many strands do you think we need to go across the porch? Estimation. What shape are we making? A rectangle? How many sides? That's geometry. Can you hand me the next hook and then the next? That's sequencing. For table setting, the centerpieces, let's make a symmetrical arrangement. Same on both sides. Can you create a pattern with the candles and pine cones? Which is taller? Would we put this in the back so that we can see over it? The golden rule. Ask question, don't lecture. Wonder aloud, don't quiz. Make it exploration, not a test. Transformation. Imagine your child spending 45 minutes arranging ornaments by size, gradient, largest at the bottom, smallest at the top. Not because you told them to, but because they got absorbed in creating a pattern. Imagine them stepping back and saying, look how organized that is. Executive function practice that never felt like work. That's what happens when learning is embedded in creating something beautiful together. This weekend, when you're decorating, just pause and wonder aloud. Ask one question. Create one pattern together. Want the complete 12 days of family learning adventures? This is our special holiday promotion. Head to the link in the description below for the full email series with conversation starters, activity variation, and age-specific tips delivered right to your inbox throughout the holiday season. And here's the thing. This kind of intentional family learning time, it's what we build into every monthly theme inside the Family Learning Adventures membership. 12 themes a year, each packed with hands-on activities that make learning feel like living. We'll talk more about that later. Tomorrow, cookie baking and the incredible brain science happening in your kitchen. See you then.